Up for sale, 1987 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 87 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Finished in factory colors with the wood grain sides. Factory interior, 4x4, 360 V8. Automatic. You know, Wagoneer options. Walk around it. I'll point out some flaws that I see. We'll fire it up and then drive it. And here we go. Start off on the right side here. It's definitely been repainted in factory blue. Wood grain here is actually pretty nice. There's a little touch up right there. And I see there's a touch up here and another little chip and a couple more right there on that line. Little chip right there, little mark right there, touch up or a chip right there. But as you see, paint is super shiny, but it has nice fitment. It's got the original chrome on there. Trim, stuff like that, it all looks pretty good. It's hot out here, my phone's overheating, so it might cut in and out. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but this section's really, really nice. Hi, how are you? I'll pop the engine. Just lift. Oh, it does just lift. So there's the 360. They put a different intake on it with a 4-barrel carb because what I saw, it would have been a 2-barrel. So they did that to, I guess, aid the running and driving and performance of it. All original paint in here. Tag like that, sticker like this. Radiator looks new. Jeep sticker. Stuff like that. Again, power brakes, power steering. And under hood, which is pretty much factory original. Carry on. Super smooth running, by the way. All the glass all the way around is in excellent condition. Molding, stuff like that. Trim is nice. Nice original. No cracks in the dash pad. The wood grain here is nice as well. Doors open and close as they should. It's a newer car, so not too much that could go wrong. There's a little chip there, but the fitment on the doors are nice. Nice door panels there. Leather interior, probably original. It's 135,000 miles, so lower, but not super low. But the seats are super nice for being original. Tilt steering wheel, and again, it's the automatic with the overdrive. The dash is actually pretty impressive. Really nice condition. You see there, and it's pretty much super smooth, if you can hear that. Might as well skip to the process here. Show you the window going down. All right. There you go. Oh, it does need the front headliner. I'll show you that. But the back is there. A little bubbling right there by the handle. However, as you see, tiny little stone chip there. the car, which I'll show you in a second. Not skipped out. All the door panels are actually super nice. Rear seats are actually really, really nice. Even the leather doesn't have too many of those crossing in it. Carpet's very clean. Let me show you this. Nicely painted up here. And yeah, dome light works. Works on that one too. Keep going here. I'll show you this before I drop it. Original bumper in the back, which actually is in, you know, nice condition here. See a little touch up right there. Touch up right there, and I just saw two little touch ups right there, maybe from putting stuff in and out, lowering it down. Drop this guy down here. You got the original spare, tire irons, jack. I left it in there. This is all original carpet back here, so it's ripped on the sides, but the rest of it's actually nice, as well as like carpet over the wheel well, back seat that folds out. This is actually pretty decent for the most part. As you see here, my camera's still going in and out, so I'm hoping it's catching everything. Nice in there. I know on Suburban stuff like that, that's an area that rot's going to collect, and other than, you know, a little bit of surface, it's not bad at all. Oh, is that heavy? Wood grain here. Nice. Show you this. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, let us know. 87 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, factory colors, 135,000 miles. I have a ton of service records for it. I'm kind of forgetting that I had them, but I'll show you them real quick. Over here. Original owner's manual, Payne's repair manual, and in here I have a stacks of service records for the car dating back to 1994, all included with the car, which is nice to see. Nice to see that a car like this has been serviced that much and that they recorded it since 94. So we're getting to that point now where we're going to fire it up and then drive it. And you see like a couple little marks on the wood. And the worst part about the wood, right here, it looks like it just flaked a little bit right there and right there. Other than that, the rest of the wood on the car is pretty nice. So we're gonna fire it up now and then we'll drive it. Thanks for watching. And here we go. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire it up.